Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Maya, and today we are going to talk about keep learning and keep growing.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Yes, I am very excited about this topic, Maya. It is a very important topic for everyone.
I agree, Leo. Learning is something we do every single day.
Exactly. So, Maya, how was your day today? Did you learn anything new?
Well, yes, I learned a new recipe for breakfast. I learned how to make pancakes with bananas.
Oh, really? That sounds delicious. Was it difficult?
No, it was very easy, but it was new for me, so I learned something.
That is wonderful. See? That is a great example of learning and growing.
What about you, Leo? What did you do today?
I read a few pages of a new book. It is a book about history.
Wow, that sounds interesting. Do you like reading history books?
Yes, I do. It helps me understand the world better. It helps me grow.
That is great. I think reading is a very good way to learn English, too.
Yes, for our listeners, reading simple books is a fantastic way to learn.
Leo, let's ask our listeners a question.
Good idea, Maya. Let's do it.
To everyone watching or listening, what did you learn today? Please write your answer in the comments below.
Yes, please tell us. We love reading your comments. Now, Maya, let's talk more about our main topic, keep learning and keep growing. Yes, Maya, what does keep learning mean to you?
To me, keep learning means that we do not stop. We finish school, but we do not stop learning.
That is true. Some people think learning is only for children or students at university.
Yes, but that is not correct. We can learn at any age. We can learn when we are 20, 50, or 80 years old.
I completely agree. My grandfather is 70 years old, and he is learning how to use a smartphone right now.
Wow, that is amazing. Is it hard for him?
At first, it was very hard. He was a little afraid, but he practices every day. Now he can send me text messages.
Oh, that makes me so happy to hear. He is a great example of growing.
Yes, he did not say, "I'm too old." He said, "I want to learn."
That is a beautiful mindset. A mindset is how we think about things.
Oh, mindset is a great word, Maya. Let's explain that word to our friends.
Yes, let's do a small learning section here. The word is mindset. M-I-N-D-S-E-T.
A mindset is your attitude. It is how you think about yourself and the world.
For example, a growth mindset means you believe you can learn and get better.
Yes, if you say, "I cannot speak English yet, but I can learn," you have a growth mindset.
Exactly. But if you say, "I am bad at English, I will never learn," that is a fixed mindset.
That is a very clear explanation, Maya. Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's give another example sentence using mindset.
Okay. She has a positive mindset about her new job.
Great sentence. It means she thinks good things about her new job.
Perfect. Let's go back to our main discussion. Maya, why do you think some people stop learning?
That is a good question. I think some people are afraid to make mistakes.
Oh, yes. Mistakes can make people feel sad or embarrassed.
But mistakes are normal. When we learn a language, we make many mistakes.
I make mistakes every day, even in my own language.
Me too. Mistakes show that we are trying. If you don't make mistakes, you are not trying anything new.
That is so true. When I started learning to play the guitar, I sounded terrible.
Really? Did you want to stop?
Yes, I wanted to stop. My fingers hurt and the music was bad.
But you did not stop. You kept practicing.
Yes, I kept practicing. Keep plus a verb with ing means to continue doing something.
Oh, another good grammar point, Leo. Let's explain this to our learners.
Yes, When you use the verb keep to mean continue, the next verb must have ing.
For example, keep practicing your English.
Or keep listening to this podcast.
Yes, that is a very good example.
Let's talk about the past tense of keep. The past tense is kept, K-E-P-T.
Yes, kept is an irregular verb. We do not say keeped, we say kept.
For example, yesterday I kept studying for 2 hours.
Or, he kept walking even when it started to rain.
This is very useful grammar for beginners.
I agree. It is simple, but we use it a lot in daily life.
Okay, let's continue our talk. Maya, what are some small ways people can keep growing every day?
Well, you don't need to change your whole life in one day. Small steps are best.
Yes. Can you give some examples of small steps?
Sure, you can learn one new word in English every day. Just one.
Wow, 1 word a day is 365 words in a year. That is a lot.
Exactly. Another small step is listening to English music or a podcast for 5 minutes.
Only 5 minutes? Everyone has 5 minutes.
Yes, you can do it while you brush your teeth or cook breakfast.
That sounds fun and easy. What about learning a new hobby, like gardening or drawing?
Oh, gardening is great for growing. Literally. You watch the plants grow and you grow.
That is a funny joke, Maya. Plants grow and we grow.
But it's true. Learning how to take care of a plant requires patience. Patience is a great way to grow as a person.
Patience. That means being able to wait without getting angry.
Yes. Pronunciation tip for our listeners. Patience sounds like patience.
Patience. Let's say it together. Patience.
Very good. Learning a language requires a lot of patience.
That is a perfect example sentence because it takes time. You cannot learn English in 1 week.
No, you cannot. And that's okay. The journey is the beautiful part.
I love that. The journey. Leo, what do you do when you feel tired or lazy? How do you keep learning then? To be honest, some days I just want to watch TV and do nothing.
That is normal. We all have those days.
Yes, when I feel lazy, I tell myself, just do it for 2 minutes.
2 minutes? Does that work?
Yes, because starting is the hardest part. Once I start reading or practicing for 2 minutes, I usually want to continue.
Oh, that's a smart trick. I will try that next time I feel lazy.
Please try it. It helps a lot.
If you're enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. It helps us grow too.
Yes, thank you everyone. Your support means a lot to us.
Leo, let's talk about the word growth. It's related to grow, right?
Yes, grow is a verb, G-R-O-W. For example, children grow quickly.
And growth is a noun, G-R-O-W-T-H.
Yes, for example, personal growth is important for happiness.
Let's look at the past tense of the verb grow. It is grew, G-R-E-W.
Another irregular verb, grow changes to grew.
Example sentence. Last year, my English grew a lot because I practiced every day.
That is a very motivating sentence, Maya.
Thank you. I want our listeners to feel motivated. Learning English opens so many doors.
Opens doors? That's an interesting phrase. What does it mean?
It's an idiom. It means it creates new opportunities, like getting a better job or making new friends from different countries.
Oh, I see. Learning English opens doors to the world.
Exactly. It's a beautiful way to say it.
Maya, do you remember when you first started learning English?
Yes, I was very shy. I was afraid to speak because my pronunciation was not perfect.
Really? Look at you now. You're hosting a podcast in English.
Thank you, but it took years of practice. I kept learning and I kept growing. I did not give up.
Give up means to stop trying.
Yes. Please, friends, do not give up. You can do it.
Maya, let's give our listeners one more question to think about.
Okay, Listeners, why are you learning English? Is it for a job, for travel, or just for fun?
Write your answers in the comments. We are very curious to know your reasons.
Yes, knowing your why helps you stay motivated.
That is true. When you know why you are doing something, it's easier to keep going.
Well, Leo, our time is almost finished for today.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you, everyone, for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.